Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vik and I'm here to give you some angel guidance today. So we are gonna do a pick a card reading, but this is gonna be based for a very specific situation that you have in your mind. It could be your career, your health, your love life, just a general energy checkup. But this has to be in a question form, so we are going to try and do again like a yes or no reading. So if there is a clarity that you need about some situation and you need a direct yes or no answer, then this is the reading that you need to watch. Otherwise, I would say that skip this reading, because I'm trying to make it very specific for certain people who need to receive these answers. So all you have to do to receive your reading is choose from either of these crystals. So you can choose the number 1 or the rose quartz crystal, or you can choose the number 2 or the smoky quartz crystal. So let's see what is the messages that is coming for you. For those who have chosen the number 1, this is a very good message to see. I am getting remain positive. So if things have been difficult in this area of your life, I feel that very soon good news is coming. I don't know why, but for certain people I think this could be regarding your career. I think that the shift that you are wanting, the promotion that you are asking for, or the business that you're wanting to start, the job that you desire is coming your way very soon. Remain positive. All your hard work is going to pay off. For people who have debts, or who owe money to others, or others owe money to you, I think that a lot of changes are going to be coming in your life. Your money patterns are going to improve for the better. I also feel that disassociate with people who have not been very honest to you in the past, so that this helps bring in more growth. For love life, I feel that this is a very good message to get. I think that the angels are telling you that you are being watched over. Positive news is definitely coming, and if you are looking for someone new in love, then definitely that's going to happen. If you are already in a relationship with someone, or you're married or something like that, then I think that you have what it takes to go to the ending of this. Okay, I feel that the universe is just reassuring you that if things have been a little bit up and down, it's gonna shift very soon. But I just feel that you need to be very firm about your boundaries. I think that you need to be firm about what you truly desire from your partner. You need to communicate it in a better manner. And overall, I just feel that this is a very positive message to see. So let's move on to number 2, or the smoky quartz crystal. And yeah, okay, so over here I'm actually very shocked, because it's not a no, but I'm getting a timeline. Okay, so I don't know how this translates for your situation, but I am getting a year from now card. So whatever you have asked for, or whatever you have thought about in this reading, it is gonna take some time to come your way. The universe is asking you to be patient. The angels are watching over you, and I'm feeling that you're very protected. I just feel like I should pull one more message. So yeah, like literally this is like the perfect timing card. So I feel that everything is gonna work out in its perfect timing for you. And since we are mostly gonna be seeing this reading maybe before New Year, so I think that the new year is gonna bring you a lot of blessings, a lot of abundance. I think that your wait is going to be over soon, but do not rush into anything. I think that the universe wants you to take your time to be sure. The universe wants to prepare you for the right thing, for the right person, for the right job, right opportunity, and that's why it's making you wait. If you have asked about a health issue, then I feel that you need to take some time off. You need to take out some time to recharge, to rest, and overall I feel that this is a pretty good message to see. I just think that you need to have faith in the angels and the universe, and let things work out in their own perfect timing. So thank you so much for watching.